Good morning, students. Today we are going to explain some very important points from the second theme of part 1, that is writing and city life. In this theme, we will see what will happen after the human being start to stand and walk properly like a human being. In this theme, we will see how the human being start to write, start to cultivation, start to business, start to move from another country. So the theme is writing and city life, as you can see. So in the city life, it's description of Mesopotamia. So first we see what is Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is derived from two Greek words. Mesos meaning middle, Potamus meaning river. It is the meaning of Mesopotamia. Today it is part of Iraq. It means to say Mesopotamia in today time is a part of Iraq. See, map of Iraq. You see two words in red, like this and this. Two rivers, river Euphrates and river Tigris, and in the middle, this is Mesopotamia. See, the Tigris river, this is Tigris river, flows through the country of Iraq. So, the Tigris river flows through the country of Iraq in the Middle East. The ancient civilization of Mesopotamia grew up on the plain between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Mesopotamia. For what Mesopotamia is known? So, first of all, its writing, its city life, its trade, its rich literature, mathematics, astronomy, which spreads to Mediterranean, Turkey and Syria. Next, Mesopotamia. See this. What is this? Hanging Garden of Babylon. Babylon is a city in Mesopotamia. This is one of the wonder of Mesopotamia. And what is this? The Mesopotamia city of Babylon was one of the most important cities in the ancient world. This picture shows the Hanging Garden of Babylon. This is the Hanging Garden of Babylon, one of the 7 wonders of the world. There are 7 wonders in the world, and it is one of them, Hanging Garden of Babylon. The gardens grew on the roofs and terraces of the royal place in Babylon. Terrace, see the garden on terrace. See, roofs, terraces, like this. Hanging gardens. About 2500 years ago, King Nebuchadnezzar ruled the land called Babylon. So ये राजा का नेम है नेबूचदनेस्सर. इन्होंने बेबीलोन पर रूल किया. He married a beautiful princess फ्रॉम अनदर कंट्री. उन्होंने दूसरे देश की राजकुमारी से शादी की एंड ब्रॉट हर टू बेबीलोन. और शादी करके उन्हें बेबीलोन ले आया. बेबीलोन द कैपिटल ऑफ बेबीलोनिया. बेबीलोनिया की कैपिटल. बट द न्यू क्वीन ग्रू होमसिक फॉर द माउंटेन्स एंड गार्डन्स ऑफ हर होमलैंड. लेकिन जो इसकी नई महारानी थी, ये जो उसके होमलैंड थी, जहाँ से वो आई थी, वहाँ के जो माउंटेन्स और गार्डन्स थे, उनकी शौकीन थी. सो द किंग कॉल्ड टुगेदर हिज आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्समैन बिकॉज ही हैड अ प्लान. बिल्ड मी द मोस्ट वंडरफुल गार्डन्स इन द वर्ल्ड. ही होल्ड दैम. सो दिस गार्डन वाज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द वाइफ, for the king's wife, for the queen of Babylonia. Along with 6 other men made marvels. The Hanging Garden of Babylon are remembered as one of the 7 wonders of ancient world. So Hanging Gardens was prepared by king of Babylonia, for his wife. Okay. Mesopotamia. In the beginning, the land was called Mesopotamia. In the beginning, the land was called Sumer and Akkad. Language they spoke Sumerian, Babylon, Akkadian language. In the starting, two languages were spoken, Sumerian and Akkadian language. And in the starting, Sumer and Akkad, then Babylonia. Babylonia were in Mesopotamia's land. After Babylonia, Assyrian attacks on Babylonia or Mesopotamian's land. Terrors of the Tigris. The Assyrian came down like the wolf on the fold, and his claws were gleaming in purple and gold. This is how a poet imagined the cohorts or armies of Assyrian soldiers as they attacked the city of Babylonia in 689 BC. So on 69 BC, Assyrians attacked on Babylon. They were a terrifying sight. First came the chariots and their drivers, led by the king himself. Senate tribe. Then came the cavalry, armed with bows and arrows. At the attack marched the foot soldiers, carrying long spears and huge shields. So Assyrians attacked on Babylon to grasp that. Mesopotamia. In the beginning, the land was called Sumer and Akkad, then Babylon, then Assyrian in 1100 BCE. Language they spoke, firstly Sumerian, then Akkadian, then Aramaic. Today also it is spoken the Hebrew. Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is more important for Europeans because it is mentioned in Bible's first part. So Mesopotamia is very important for Europeans, and it is also also mentioned in Bible's first part. Shimmer meaning Sumer. As we saw, Sumerian is the first language that was spoken on the land of Mesopotamia. What is the story of Bible? According to Bible, Noah built a huge boat and took a pair of each of all species of animals and birds which survived the flood. The same story is in the Mesopotamian tradition, where the principal character was called Disudar or Utafism. So Noah is a name of a person, and he prepared a boat, and in his boat he put a pair of each category, animals, birds, in his boat, and they survive the flood, yani ki baad. So this is the you may see the picture. This is the boat that was prepared by Noah. The Sumerians, people of Sumer, one of the first civilizations. Nomadic people settled in area 5000 BCE. Developed cities, place of worship. Developed cities कौन से थे? Places of worship grew into commercial and government centers. System of writing needed for record keeping taxes straight began as pictographs and evolved into vase shaped known as cuneiform. Cuneiform, this is the word that you are seeing. This is cuneiform writing. You may see the writing has been written on the stone, this type of shield. It is made by mud, and these words are made on this shell when it was wet. Okay. City life. Specialized workers. Abundant food supply allowed for the people स्पेशलाइजेशन इन डिफरेंट जॉब्स. अलग अलग जॉब दी गई वहाँ पर लोगों को. जब सिटी लाइफ शुरू हुई, आर्टिशियन स्किल्ड वर्कर्स टू मेक गुड्स बाय हैंड। अब जो आर्टिशंस थे, जो आर्टिस्ट थे, वो अपने हाथों से सामान बनाया करते थे। स्क्राइब्स होता है रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी हेयर। Thank you so much for this video. It is a short summary of this chapter. Okay, you may go through this chapter. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.